Yo guys, it's Nick D with another video. Today I'm going to be taking you guys through a complete speed run of prop firm trading. So literally buying the evaluation, trading every single step, showing you guys how I pass the evaluation, all the way to actually making and generating a payout in front of your eyes. Every single step, nothing held back here today. Okay, now I've made multiple six figures in payouts through prop firms, and I am the fourth highest paid trader on Breakout, one of the world's most trusted and reliable prop firms. And today I'm going to take you guys through every single step and show you guys exactly how to do this. So let's jump into the video and let's not waste any time. So here is my little roadmap of exactly what we're going to be doing today. Step one is the account setup. So I've already gone and purchased a fresh $100,000 trading account. Okay, from today we're going to be trading Breakout. So this account cost me $330. Now, let me show you guys the email that I got. So at 8:33 a.m., I purchased the evaluation. It is 10:45 now, so I was getting ready for this video. This is a completely fresh account. So the first thing I want to look at when I'm trading a prop firm is essentially what are the guidelines I need to trade within, because that's going to dictate the strategy, the execution, and the risk I'm going to be taking per trade. Okay, now when I say risk, guys, for those of you who don't understand prop firms, I'm not actually taking on any risk. The only risk I take on is the $330 evaluation fee if I fail to pass this challenge, right? But in terms of the active trading risk, I don't take any of that. So the profit target is 9%, okay, on the turbo account. So let's just say profit target equals $9,000. Okay, so we've got a $9,000 profit target that we need to make today to pass. Okay, now we've got $100,000 in notional capital, and we get 3% drawdown. So we get $3,000 of risk. That's essentially how I want to look at this. Is today we get to take $3,000 of risk for $330 investment. Okay. Now, the second thing that I want to understand is what sort of strategy, what sort of analysis, what sort of trading am I going to be doing today? Okay, now there's two things. The first one is, what is the goal? So the goal in this video, of course, is to speed run it, right? So I'm trying to be very aggressive. I want to try pass this in 1 or 2 trades. And I just want to show you guys what is possible when you know what you're doing, when you have the skill set of trading. So today, the goal is to obviously trade a little bit different than I usually do. I wouldn't go out there and risk this much on an account. I wouldn't try swing for the fences and try pass in one trade. But today, because of this video, I'm just going to show you guys the speed in which you can do it. Okay, so let's just say the word of today is aggressive. Okay, aggressive with our risk, aggressive with our entries, aggressive with our take profits. We're going to try and get through this evaluation very quickly, okay, and make that $9,000. So aggressive. In terms of the strategy, so I just had a quick peep at the market. Now, there is a level that I would love to see taken out. It's this daily little cluster of price right here. So if I can see price move up above this and then we get a reclaim, because we've had literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days of just pure parabolic movement to the upside, there is a lot of imbalance in these candles, right? So we are due for a small pullback back inside this trading range here, okay? Because we broke out of this range here, okay? So you can see when we closed here, we broke the previous range high, okay? So this being the range, you can see price was pretty much moving sideways this whole way, right? Okay? So what we're essentially wanting to do is we want to see some level of, I guess, price taken out so we can reclaim and we can target this low, this low, this low, or even this imbalance right here. And I'm going to walk you guys through that a little bit more in depth and actually show you the thought process behind every trade, of course. But this is a tricky market to do this in, guys, because right now the market has literally just been continuing higher. So we're not sure right now exactly what our first trade is going to be, but I know for sure we're going to be using smaller time frames today. So typically what I would use is a 4-hour, 1 hour, and a 15-minute trade, I guess, cycle. So I'll do 4-hour time frame for my areas of interest. I'll do a 1-hour time frame for my sweep and reclaim, and the 15-minute to actively manage the trade. Okay, so moving stops, go to break even, moving take profits, actively managing it once I'm in the trade. But today we're going to be doing 15-minute, 5-minute, and 1 minute. Okay, so we're going to be scalping. Okay, so the idea is that today We're going to be super, super aggressive. I'm going to have to change my style a little bit just for this video. So the strategy we're going to use today is we're going to use 15-minute structure, 5-minute confirmation, and 1-minute active trade management. Okay. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with trading, 15-minute, 5-minute, and 1 minute, that just means on the top of this little dashboard here, if I choose 15-minute, every single one of these candles represents 15 minutes of time. Okay, so you can see this candle here, the most active candle right now, the one that's moving, that has 10 minutes left on it out of the 15-minute time that we've chosen. If I go to a 1 hour time frame, okay, you can see all of those candles now change to viewing 1 hour of price. Same thing as if we go to the daily time frame. Each candle represents a day of price. Okay, so by smaller time frames, it just means we're able to get quicker trade data, we're able to make quicker decisions, and we're also able to have, I guess, a little bit more accurate entries, because what we're trying to do today is different. We're trying to scalp profit out of the market. Okay, we're not trying to look for massive swings. We're just looking for little reversals and little momentum moves based on what we get. So that's going to be our strategy today, the 15-minute, 5-minute, 1 minute. And essentially what we're going to be doing is, once we understand all of this, which we do now, so we have our profit target, which is 9%. We've got 100K of capital and we've got $3,000 of risk today. Sorry, I just need to change that. $3,000 of risk. Our strategy today is super aggressive. 15-minute structure, 5-minute confirmation, and 1-minute active trade management. Now, let's get to the good part, which is actually trading this evaluation. Okay, and then once we actually pass this evaluation, which I'm hoping I can do on this video for you guys, we're going to pass, and then we're going to take a trade on the $100,000 funded account. And hopefully by the end of this video, guys, we can process a payout. Okay, and I'm trying to process an $1,000, $2,000 payout for you guys right here today. Okay, so let's jump into it. The first thing I'm going to look at in this market is I really want to see on the hourly, and I know I said I'm going to trade the 15-minute, but we can still use the higher time frames. I've got a level here on the 4 hour, like I said before, which is this little cluster of price. Okay, and we're sitting inside of the zone now, but what I would be interested in is seeing price move above, and then if we can get a 5-minute reclaim below, we could target some pullback here, but we don't really know for sure if it's even going to take out that high just yet. So what we're going to do is we're just going to chill on a 5-minute time frame. I'm going to open up the dashboard. So you can see this is a fresh $100,000 account right now. You can see my equity limit is 97K. So if I lose $3,000, this account is gone. Okay. So my maximum drawdown is 97K. My target equity is 109,000. So 9% profit, 3% risk. Let's jump into the terminal, hey, and actually trade this. Okay, so this is my funded account here. I've got a funded account, and this is the fresh evaluation account here. So we've got a fresh $100,000 account. We'll go to trade. We're going to be trading BTC only today, guys. Let's have a look. I'd love to get a little win under my belt early to build some profit buffer. Because like essentially the idea is that if I've got $100,000 of capital and I've got 3% drawdown, okay, if I grow this account to 102,000, then I have more drawdown, right? I have profit buffer, so I can take a little bit more risk, because on the daily, on the turbo accounts that I'm trading, the rule is it's all intraday drawdown. I'm sorry, it's all end of day drawdown, static drawdown. So basically today I have an equity limit of $97,000. That will reset in 24 hours. So if I build profit buffer today, I can lose that profit buffer today and I still have $97,000 as my limit, you know? So it's not trailing my high watermark, which is really, really good. So the idea is that I want to get into a really, really quick trade today, this morning, right now with you guys. And essentially what I want to do is build some profit buffer on this account so we can really, really send it with some good risk. Okay, so there's nothing I'm really standing out to me. Like, we're just in a bit of a continuation right now. Let's mark out this swing low here. It's a really tough level, honestly. We are starting to get some wicks here though. Let me just get rid of this big rectangle because it's sort of pissing me off now. Let me just get rid of this. All right. So this area up here is important. I think we've got a little scalp just here, guys. I like this trade here. So we want to take out this previous, see how price swung low and then pushed higher, even though it's made a lower high here, because the market's so bullish. If I can see this take out that low and come into this little cluster of price here before we made that move higher. Okay, so you can see our price had a bearish candle here, moved higher. Look, yeah, this is really good. See, that's the sort of aggressiveness I want to see in price here. This could be our first trade, guys. Let's see. Because you can see if we look at all these pushes up, price isn't really pulling back. It's sort of just continuing. So I want to try catch a little scalp here. Currently 10:55 in the morning. Okay. This is going to be our first trade if we get this. So let me have a look. We've got a 100K account. We're going to go, so full size would be 15 BTC. Let's just say we do get a limit order here. That would literally pass us the evaluation if we went full size on this trade. Let's see how we can do it. On my funded account, guys, let me show you some data. You guys will love this. If I go to history, net P&L, this is my funded trading account. Look at the last 2 days I've had. So the 19th, which is actually the 20th in Australia, was 5,200. And then today, so the 20th, which was yesterday for me, look at this. Look at all these trades. Little scalp again. This was the same position, just multiple entries. Little short. And then a little long as well. And then we've got all of these trades. So there's been so many good trades lately, guys. Like I've been really making money. Yeah, these trades have been sick, man. Look at that. Bang. I could have held that much longer. Like that entry was sick. That actually went to like 72,000, which is crazy. If I held that would have been massive. Let's see what's happening here. Yeah, no, this is definitely coming lower. And guys, like even if it doesn't come into our entry right now before taking out this high, because like this is the draw on liquidity, right? This is basically the area up here. Remember I showed you guys on the 4 hour, this is what I want to see taken out. Okay, so the reason I'm looking long right now is because we haven't swept that high. We haven't taken that level. So I'm still bullish on price going higher. Let's see. Hopefully we get a little bit of a pullback, man. This is good. This is exactly what we want to see, guys. I need to see this pullback, man. Little imbalance here. Because if we go 15 BTC, we need to make $9,000. Okay, so let's do the maths. 9,000 divided by 15. We need a $600 price movement, okay, to pass an evaluation. So that's two $300 movements if we break it up over 2 trades. Let's see if we can do it on one. Let's try be cheeky. Nice. You know what we could do? I'm just trying to think. If we take out this high here, okay. So I'm basically just marking my highs and lows. Why isn't it? This is good. Look at this, look at this. This is actually clean here. We can go short down to our entry if we get a move above this high. I'm actually going to run a short here. That would nearly pass us at full size. Let's see what we can get. I want to see something aggressive. If we mark this high out. It's going to push above that high for sure. Honestly, this could move straight to this high up here that we marked out before though. That's the tough thing about speed running something. Like, you sort of have to force the trade. That's the problem with this, but that's the fun about this video. We have to basically pull trades out of our ass. I could see something like that though. It's like we could get a fake and then a move down, take out this liquidity here. Let's see what we get. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. I'm not entered yet. I'll show you guys when I enter. We're gonna be doing this all live. I just wanna see if it moves to this high, because then we can actually pass it in one trade. 580, see how my target there says $587? That's the distance between where I'm entering and my take profit. Okay, so let's see if we get a movement up here. My stop loss is in a terrible position, but we're basically trying to catch the reversal with no areas of interest to support it. So let me show. 5-minute time frame has 20 seconds left on it. This looks like a good little fake though. If we reclaim this low on a 15-minute, sorry, 5-minute. Oh, that could have been our entry, man. I need a 5-minute close though. Oh, we got it, but we haven't closed it yet. We've only closed on the 1 minute, the 5-minute. Still active. 4 minutes left to see that close. This could still come heaps higher. Yeah, look at that. Took out that high. I hope it comes higher. I hope it takes out this high here. You can see the 15-minute really struggling, like all these 15-minute candles, very indecisive. See how you got wicks on both sides? So we're gonna have something big come. Let's see if it rushes our entry here. This is good. Come on. Take out this high. Go. It's respecting the body close of this candle. You can see that. See? See how this candle's body closed here? Look at all these wicks. All these. All these. I'm not convinced yet though. I still think it pushes higher. Come on, bro. Give us an entry. Guys, I can't wait to get into a trade. And I could have done this video in better market conditions, but I wanted to show you guys a proper speed run from start to finish. Like if I needed to get funded straight away for some reason, this is pretty much how I'd do it. This is looking like it's about to break high. This could even target these highs. That's why we're not entering until we get a confirmation, right? You don't buy momentum like this. It's because once you buy momentum like this, the market pulls back. That's why even though the market's bullish, like I cannot buy here. Think about it. Like where do I actually put my stop loss in a safe place? You can't. The risk to reward ratio is terrible, okay? You can see on this trade that I'm doing here that I've got set up, like if you're beginning out, like let's just say I take $2,000 of risk on this trade, you can see my risk to reward ratio is 5 to 1. So for every $2,000 of risk, I'm making $10,000 back, 2 times 5, right? 2,000 times 5. So 25. This is about to come higher, man. We could be on here, guys. I really hope it doesn't front run it. Like I really want to see it take out this. Here we go. This could fly past 74K. Look at this. So we're at 73,947 right now. 74K is that flat number, that psychological level. So let's see what happens. This is just here interim. Like I can change this. I'm just leaving it. Here we go. Did that get above that? Oh. There's no way it just pulls back now. Like it's built equal highs now. So funny. This has to break higher. Here we go. Come on, bro. It still hasn't broken that high. Here we go. If we go full size on this, guys, this will get us funded. Meaning I use the whole account, so the whole risk. Not necessarily the whole risk. Depends on our stop loss. $120 stop loss wouldn't be the full account. It'd be very close. Go. This is lining up perfect because you can see that we've got 3 minutes 46 on the 5 minute. So if this 5 minute candle closes above and then the next one closes back inside, so below this range, that's when we're short. So the time frames are lining up good. I just need this 5 minute candle here, which closes in 3 minutes and 30 seconds, to close above the line. And then the next 5 minute candle we want to reclaim. That's our reclaim. Here we go. This is perfect. Look at this. This could run straight for that line. Yeah, look, this is perfect if we get that. This is fucking perfect. Let's see what we get here. Anything above here, perfect. So now that's taken out. I told you once that 74K level breaks, now we need this line taken out, which was, remember, was that 4 hour high. Look how overextended the market is. Look at this. We haven't had a bearish candle in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 candles, bro. This thing is mincing. Let's see what we get. Here we go. Please break that. Yep. Guys, we're going to send it. We're going to send it. We can get funded here right now, honestly. Look at this. Just let it run. Let it run. This is crazy. There's nowhere to really even fucking get into this thing, dude. Look at the daily time frame. Oh, we've got a little bit of imbalance here, actually. We've got this whole supply level as well. But even better than that, we've got... This is just very, very, very hard to short, man. This is like extremely hard to short. Unless we really do get a reclaim. Doesn't look like it wants to come back yet. We're gonna get a short, guys. We're just gonna have to send it, just for the video purposes. Can't believe we went from, look at this, guys, 64K to 74. Nearly $75,000 in like 4 days. Fuck, I love trading. Let's see what happens here. So I'm just gonna make this box a different color. Just remove how dark it is. I feel like when we get into 50% of this imbalance here, we can can start seeing a bit of a pullback. There's really nothing to do right now, as sad as it is. You can't fall for this little candle. That's just going to come a little bit lower and then boom. Look at that. Well, we could have passed that already if we were short up here. We could go long again. We could actually go long again. If this gets way more aggressive than it is now. We might have to switch the strategy here, guys. One more aggressive candle down and we're in. Because the hourly closes in 37 minutes. Which means we have time to get back. One more aggressive candle, man. Down. So I want to see... Yeah, we need aggressive. We need like a really aggressive price here. This is that H4 high. Oh, there's nothing to really... So I'm just going to take a fib from what's this candle to this high. If we get to the 80%, we're in, honestly. Down here. Let's get ready for this. So the entry is 74,104. Oh, this is the funded. Let's get on the eval. So 74. We're going to go full size here, guys. 74,104 is our entry. Fuck, man. Oh no, this is done now. Might have to cancel that order. Dude. Actually. Bruh. Yeah, cancel that order. It's not the right trade, guys. If we got in, fuck, we'd already nearly be funded, man. Down here, would it be $300 away? Yeah, look at it. That sucks. I had the right idea, it was just didn't come low enough for me. This could come lower though, because we got the 15-minute close in 5 minutes. Let's see what this 5-minute candle does. I really like it. I sort of don't want to be short though right now, but it's the only way we're going to get a quick pullback. Let's see what we can fade here. See how it came back and retraced on the previous 4-hour high that I had marked? I had this line marked since the start of the video. It's just crazy how it works, right? It used it as a little flip. This is actually a decent little short here. The body of that candle. Let's see what happens here. Anyway, like these wicks are acting as imbalance anyway. So let's see if we can come inside of it. I just want to see a push above that line and below this line. Yeah, dude, this looks like it could come back. It's all about having the time frames align. Like we've got 3 minutes on the 15-minute candle, but the 15-minute is closing above this H4 high, 4-hour high. So it's probably going to go up. We've got another 2 minutes on it. Go above. Yeah, this is good. This is really good. We would have been funded, guys, nearly. Fuck, if we got that long. Crazy. We were like $100 off our entry. Let's see, one more push, eh? Because the 15-minute closes in a minute 55. I think this pushes a bit higher now, honestly, which is good for us. Bro, we had our entry at 64,110. And our target would have been $768. That would have been passed already. We would have passed the challenge, guys. Fuck. Look how bullish this is, man. All right. The 15-minute has 44 seconds. Let's see what we can do here. We're inside this range now. I just can't sell until I get some sort of confirmation. But it might happen too quick. We might just have to go for like a really risky setup. I feel like it's going to come back. Let's see what the 15-minute open does, right? Let's see what the next 15-minute candle does. This closes in 14 seconds. Fuck. I knew this was the area to short, but I'm just being a little bit trigger shy, guys. Like, we don't really have anywhere to have confirmation. This is a tough trading day right now. But we're going to make it work. All right. Hopefully we take out this high now. Let's see. I need to see something aggressive. Here we go. This is it. All right. Good. Yeah, this looks a little bit more like my style. Told you, this high here. Still feel like it comes a bit higher, guys. All right, this could be it. This could be it. Here we go. Come on. One more fake. This is a super risky trade. Let's do it. Let's sell. Full size. Here we go. We're short. Let's go. We're short from 897. Take profits here. Put our stop. Oh, it didn't enter. Shit. Fuck, man. It didn't enter our trade. Oh, bro. Why did that happen? That's not good. That's really not good, guys. We would have been... Fuck, man. Really? Wow. Bro, that's craziness. Like, that is actually craziness. Bro, like... I don't know what to say. You guys saw me click the sell button. Holy. Let's hope it comes back. All right, it's coming. Bro, my entry was so good. It could have saved us anyway. One more push higher. Not above this swing, though, just back inside. Can you believe that, guys? Look at our entry. Please come back up. Holy. Can you guys believe this? I'm sitting here like, wow, I clicked the sell button, full size. Look at our entry. We are literally $350. So we only need a $600 movement. Hopefully it comes higher, man. Sweat this low now. Hopefully it gives it a little bit of a push higher. I feel like this is just going to go straight to our take profit and take out this low here. Wow. Okay, good. Because at least we get the 5-minute close now. Let's give it 2 minutes till we enter. Because the problem is if we go short here, look where our stop loss isn't safe. Like, that's the problem. That's why you need to sell that aggressiveness. 5 minutes. Fuck. Like, I need to refresh. Is it glitching out? Can you imagine we are in profit? No, nothing. Absolutely zilch. Our entry was literally 890. Look, 74, 890. We're at 74, 520. Wow, man. All right, different. We have to switch it up now. $890. Our target was here. And our stop was above the high. $22 seconds to the 5-minute close. Hopefully there's a little bit of a push higher. Just a little movement and then we short again. All right, 5-minute open, new candle. Let's see what we got. This is my target. If I see a move above that, we're already halfway to our take profit, man. We would have been up 4,000. We would have been up 4,400 or something right now. Yeah, this looks bearish now. Damn, guys, this is actually going to proper go to our take profit. Wow. That's really... Okay, good. It's going to chop around a little bit, which is good. Unless it just drops. It's because price was moving so quick. So when I pulled max size, something must have happened with... I'm just going to go 99% just so it's... This is good. This is good. This is really good. This is really, really good. This is good. Good. See how price has interacted with every line I've drawn, guys? This is essentially the idea of trading, right? It's like each of these lows and highs has they're like reaction points, liquidity levels. Even on the 1 minute, you know, it's crazy. It's because this is all active trading and buying and selling going on here. So those levels have stop losses and liquidity above or below them. Let's see what we can get above this little, because this was like, what I call this candle here is that's the reclaim candle, and then this is like the defensive candle that failed. So this area is very important, and that's why if we stay below it, I'm like, if we go above and then back below this, then we go short here, stop somewhere up here, target here again. Hopefully we can get above it. That trade's not active, so it doesn't fucking matter anymore. Because essentially what I would have done, guys, is if I had that entry that I clicked sell on and we got it, I would have already moved my stop loss to break even. Okay, just to try, because we're obviously going really aggressive with risk. So my stop loss would have already been like a $200 loss or something. It would have been really minimal. We wouldn't have even felt it. So even if this trade was to come back to where we previously tried to enter, we wouldn't have lost money. And that's the idea of going aggressive. You need to really have the right entry so you can move your stop loss to break even. So you're not actually taking any drawdown on the account. One more push higher, man, please. My dog's snoring. Henry, my French bulldog is literally just snoring. So loud. If I see a little tap and go, and then we're back down. Let's see what happens. This is starting to just look like a continuation here, though. It always looks good until it doesn't, though. That's the hard thing about looking at like patterns. All right, 15-minute candle. I'm liking this. Yeah, it's come into this little blue box, little imbalance on that candle. Hopefully push above this high now. Good. Good. Need to sneeze so bad. Let's see what happens. We've taken out that high now. Probably going to push a lot higher here. See, our initial trade would have been stopped out at break even now anyway, which is okay. But you know, remember how I told you at the start of the video, like we can be really aggressive, secure some profit buffer, and then we also have a little bit more room to like not breach our drawdown rules, right? So, holy shit. This is insane, guys. So we're in this higher time frame level now. This is crazy. I could have just clicked buy literally all the way down here with you guys. Oh, shit. This is literally impossible, boys and girls. This is crazy, man. This is coming. Look at the weekly candle, guys. That's nuts. Literally nuts. I like this though now. It's taking out the top end of that range, that blue box. There has to be a little bit of a pullback, like surely. Fuck, man, you just don't know where to get in. All right, we're just gonna go for it. We're gonna go for a refill of this wick. 44 seconds till the 5 minute. Let's see. This is insane. This is like, I can't even explain to you guys why I chose this day to do this video. And I'm not going back on it. We're doing this. Just filling that candle now. See this wick here? I love that. If we go from here to here, 80% would be here. 5 minute open, a little bit higher and we're on. Fuck it, we're getting in. Why is it doing that? Why is it doing that? All right, we're short, we're in a position. We're not gonna have any stops for now. $110 down. 447. We're so close to getting stopped out here. This is our profit though. This level right here is full take profit. We're up $1,000, guys. Look at this. We're gonna move to break even pretty quickly. What was our entry? 498, which is better than what I thought. Hopefully it doesn't blast us, man. We just need a deep pullback here. Yeah. I just want to move to break even fast. No stop loss for now. We're either going to breach the account or get profit buffer. Oh shit, this is not good. Come back, baby. This is crazy. I'm pretty sure that's breach. 204, about $250 breach. We're back in profit. I just need a place to bring my stops to break even, which would be a move below the 1 minute bullish candle. All right, let's get into this. 1250 up. This is insane, guys. Like this is proper crazy. We just need price to move down here. All right. If it keeps holding this range, it's just gonna pop. This is where we're moving to break even. Right here. $490. Yeah, if it holds this little range, it's not good for us. We need aggressive price down. That's better, that's better. Nice, nice, nice. Like this is definitely not the standard way that I would trade. This is completely different, but this is a speed run, guys. This is entertainment plus education. Look at this. There's a lot of imbalance here though. It could act as like a, but still there's a big way down. 16, 15. Here we go. That's what we need. 2K, 7,000 to go. Fuck, look at it. Good, 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 good. I think as soon as it taps below this low though, it's just gonna fly. Let's see. We'll be break even if it gets to this level. 188. Oh, this is good. If this plummets down, good. Just watch out for this area, guys. I'm gonna put my stops here for now, actually. 620, 620. So we'll go add stop loss. So we're putting in 75, 620, 75, 620, $1,500 loss. Fuck, it's pretty big though. Anyway. All right, we've got a stop loss in at 75. That's our trade right now, guys. Look at every line I draw. It interacts in some way. And people say technical analysis doesn't work. So we took out this range, that blue box I drew, swept it, reclaimed, came back higher, we entered. Let's just see what we can get from here, guys. Do not shoot back up. Do not shoot back up. Actually, even if it fills a bit of this 5-minute candle and comes back to entry, that's okay. But I would rather it just go straight to our take profit, to be honest. So how much size do we have? We've got $982,000 position, but it is... We're up 2,700, 2,800 now. This looks good, guys. 14 BTC we've got, 14.8 or something. So we've got $9,000 target divided by 14, $640 movement we need. So our take profit will be somewhere around here. We should be up like 3K now. Yeah, 3,500, 4K. Look at this. I love this shit. Look at that. We're nearly past this account. It's coming into imbalance, and this is the flip. So that was previous resistance broken, retesting. Hopefully it doesn't. Let's go. I said I was going to build buffer, guys, but I'm pretty confident that we go to full take profit here. But if we scalp it correctly, we could wait for a little pullback. Let's just see what happens. I'd hate to give back all this profit, right? Nice, 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 nice. 74,830 we need. It's at 75,138. We don't need much more out of this, guys. It's about $400 more we need. Look at this. Oh, it's this imbalance here. All right, if we come lower one more time on the 1 minute time frame, and then we reject, like we come higher. So if we get a bearish candle coming lower, and then we get like a wick like this again, I'm going to close, and we're gonna reevaluate. We're going to take 2 trades to pass. I just don't want to give back 5K profit. You know what I mean? This isn't good. Let's see. Oh, the 5 minute still looks really bearish. Yeah, this is good. The 5 minute looks terrible. All right, this is the candle that we need confidence from. So we're at 6K nearly. Remember, our stop loss can go to break even now. So our stop loss can go to 490, which would be $100 profit. So we have no risk on this trade, guys. We just need to manage profit now. 5 minute time frame opens now. Hopefully we get a dump and not a pump. Come lower, please. Guys, this will be really nice if we can get this. Yeah, if this starts reacting off that, the bottom of this imbalance here, back inside the previous range, this little blue box, let me just change the color to like black. All right, we're at 6,000. Oh, we're nearly there, guys. Look. 66. Oh, I told you this blue box here, look. Straight into the 50% of that. Alrighty. No, this is alright. This is alright. Go, guys. We need 2K more. We need a little push, man. This just needs one more push down. We've got no risk on the trade, but I don't want to give back 7K profit. Like 7,300. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 8,000. We need $1,000 more dollars, guys. 72. Oh my God, look how close it got to our profit. I'm pretty sure our pass will be down here. One more push lower, man. Guys, we are so fucking close. Go. Go, 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 go. Do you guys want to watch price or profit? Which one? We need $9,000. This is sketchy. A little bit lower, surely. This is a dodgy area though, guys. This this is an area this could reverse. Let's see. 8,100. We need this to 109 though. Look at this, look at this. We're nearly there. We're so close, guys. Oh my God, we've hit take profit. Let's see. Holy shit, that hit 9K, but one more bit lower. We need it down here. Just because of fees, because we took so much size. We're like $400 off, $200 off, $50 off. There we go. Watch, that'll close. Surely. It should close the trade. Look, we've hit 109. Nah, surely. Surely. Bro, there's no way. We're going to have to honestly message breakout because you saw that hit 109K. That's really not a good look, man. We're hitting up breakout. Watch this. I'm going to do it in front of you guys. That is fucked up, man. Bro, like... I don't even think their support would be online right now. Bro, like that is crazy. Speak to a human. Like, we're probably still going to hit this, guys, but like, this should have upgraded us a long time ago. I can't wait to watch the recording back. I saw that literally hit 109K like multiple times. Breakout will sort it out. They've got amazing support. They're an amazing firm. It must have just been a system because it only went to like a little bit over. Bro, like, look at this. Today has been a fucking nightmare. They're going to be super good about it. Like, they'll be able to check the backlogs, because look at this now. Like, fuck that, man. Like, I'm so proud of that trade with you guys live that like now I'm pissed off that it didn't, like it rarely does that. It's done that to me probably 2 or 3 times, but Breakout always fix it. Like I've got nothing, I'm not saying anything about Breakout. It's just sometimes their system can't trigger it when it goes over. So what they'll do is they'll go manually check that my account did hit over $9,000, because you guys saw the total value of my account was 109, and even the unrealized profit was like 9,500, 9,600. So it will probably still come lower, and we probably still will hit the target again, but I just want Breakout to know that it's been happening. At least it's coming down lower now. Like that was the perfect trade. Look at that, guys. We moved to break even. So we halved our risks. We had like a little bit of risk, and then we went to break even when we got the proper movement. Yeah, it's just been a nightmare. Today's been crazy. Come on. It owes us this, right? Like we passed. I know I passed. You saw me pass. Like look at the wick below it. Hopefully it comes lower, guys, and we just actually get our account this time. We've got $1,000 left. Let's watch this together. Ready? 8,200. Here we go. We should have passed right then again. Look at this. Look at this. Watch it. Watch it. 109K. We should pass straight away. 109, 100. Ready? Like, guys, there we go. See? Oh. Okay. We've passed the evaluation in one trade. Evaluation passed. Congratulations. Okay, I'll just tell them. All good. Trade went back to take profit, but just wanted to give. Pause of the video for 1 second, guys. If you're watching this video right now and you're someone who wants to learn how to trade this way, okay, you want my guidance, you want my knowledge, and you actually want my strategies, you can actually apply to work with me. I've been coaching traders since 2019. I've got over 10 years of trading experience and over $400,000 in verified payouts. I am not a trading influencer. I do this for real. And it doesn't matter about your experience level. Even if you're a complete beginner who's never looked at a financial chart in your life, or if you're someone who's been struggling for a couple of years to make consistent payouts, you can work with me and I will take you from where you are right now to getting to a consistent level where you can make payouts. All right. All you need to do is find the link in the description. It should say apply now, and you can apply to be a member inside of my program. See you guys there. All right. You can see here. So now what happens when you pass? Fucked, guys. For a second, let's just stop and chill. Look at that trade. Look at the execution. Look at the active trade management. And we've passed an 100K evaluation in the first trade. We started this at 10.55. It's 12. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, now we need to get to the payout. Okay. So because I've already got another funded account, so what I'm going to do now, let me just show you guys So essentially Breakout will send me a contract. Okay, so I can review the document. Let me just show you guys what I can do here. So this is a funded trader agreement. So essentially it's them holding, it's them and us, the trader, tying to an agreement that they owe you money if you can make profit, right? So funded trader agreement, hopefully you guys can see that. I sign that, okay? And then I click next. And I finish, so that'll be like completed document. Yeah, so that's all done now. So what happens from here is, once their team's back online, or one of their systems, their automatic systems will be like, your trading account is now enabled. The good thing is though, we already have a funded account. Turbo funded 2. This is what's crazy, guys. We already have, look at this. We've got the evaluation that we passed. Now we've got a funded account, which is active, but it's ineligible to trade right now. So I have to wait for an eligibility email to come through, which might take a few hours. So for now, we're gonna go on my other funded account, which, let me show you guys this. So even today, I made a 1450 payout. Yesterday, I did 5 payouts yesterday. 1700, 979, 1450, 1850, 1419. So we're gonna go on this account and we're gonna make a profit on that account because there is a trade right now. See how we've come into this demand level here? This is a super clean level. Let me just mark this out. I want to see one more movement lower, and we're just going to do a little scalp. I'm going to show you guys turning 330. So this one hit profit target. We'll go to funded. We'll go to the normal funded account just because it's eligible to trade. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a trade because this is actually a decent setup. Let me just see what this 15-minute does. Oh God, that was crazy. We went through that together. We literally went through that whole process together. Actually, looking at the 15-minute now, I need to take this a bit more serious because we're on a funded. I want to see a move down to this level actually. But yeah, that short was beautiful. So yeah, that's how quickly you can make 9K if you go full size. But like, I wouldn't recommend doing that. That's just for a speed run purpose. This is clean, this setup, guys. A move below this. So I want to see something like this. Boom, boom. And our trade will look something like this, back to that 50% zone. Maybe a bit tighter on the stop, 3-1. Hopefully we get a little bit of a push lower. Okay, so we've traded the evaluation. Let me grab this, tick. We've passed the evaluation, tick. Now we're at this stage here, okay? Trading on the funded account, and then we're gonna process a fucking payout. Let's do it. Oh, this is solid, guys. I love the aggressive price action. That people are scared of aggressive price action, but that's what causes, like I showed you with my short, like aggressive price that sweeps a major level, like you're going to see a reversal back to imbalance, to mean. Ooh, looks like it wants to run a bit higher here actually. We just got to wait. We're just going to be patient now. This is good. Needs to come deeper. I really want to get this payout. I thought this was a bit of a fun video, guys. Bit of a speed run. I can't believe we went through so much drama. 2 trades went our way. One of them would have been break even, and then we obviously passed, but the first one didn't trigger. So I rarely scalp like this as well. It's not typically my style, but I've been trading since 2016, guys. So I've obviously traded every style, and yeah, we got a good trade today. So that's all we needed. So now, just so you guys understand with these, like when you pass the evaluation, you don't continue to trade on that evaluation. They send you new account logins. So like after I signed the contract, like I showed you, you get new account logins, and then they allow you to be eligible for payouts on that new account. So that new account will start at, like I'll show you here, Turbo Funded 2. This will be a fresh $100,000 account. You can see here, activation in progress. Check your breakout dashboard to see if any action is required. If not, we'll email you with next steps. So the next steps is simple. They just say you are eligible to start trading now on that account. Okay, so that's sitting there. But for now, we'll use this funded. I really want to see something aggressive, like I said before, just like a boom. Sometimes trading's just a waiting game as well, guys. Like, I know this is probably going to come a lot lower into our entry, because see how it coincides. Like we've got confluence with that 4-hour high that I marked all the way over there earlier, and now we've got the imbalance, because when it broke, see how much imbalance it caused in this candle. See how all this price action here is efficient, right? This is all efficient, okay? But you got imbalance here, you got imbalance here. These are levels that you want to watch out for. These are levels that can give you really solid entries if there is a low above imbalance, because this low acts as liquidity. There's a reason for price to run lower, you know? Because think about it, like think about the market. Think about how many people got favored from here to here. People that haven't taken profit yet are still holding this position. Where are their stop losses? Sitting under this level. So a run down here would cause them to either get stopped out of their trade, liquidate their position, or close it at a loss. And when a buyer closes, okay, their trade, they become a seller, okay, because they have to sell back what they bought. And that's why when we see levels like this, we want to see aggressiveness to make sure that we're in the right area where those stop losses are being triggered, okay? Just clean up these drawings. But yeah, you guys will have a lot of fun with this stuff if you learn it. And it's a really good feeling when you see profit target hit. Can you guys believe we went through that swing though? That was crazy. But I'm telling you guys now, like Breakout would have sorted that out in a second. Because it's happened to me before, and then you tell them, they go and check the logs, they say, oh my God, we're so sorry, our engine didn't pick it up. Like Breakout is a very reputable firm, guys. Like these guys have never denied a payout. These guys have only 2 simple rules to trade within: max drawdown, daily drawdown. They are a great fucking firm. So I didn't mean to show you guys that. I'm sure Breakout didn't mean that, of course. Like they're not like that. Okay, I've literally taken $450,000 plus from Breakout. So I'm sure if they wanted to fuck me over, they would do it in a less obvious way. Okay, these guys are here to pay out if you can make money. Here we go. This could be actually, imagine we do like a 5K profit on this funded, because I really like this setup. This is one of my favorites. This could be a target. This imbalance here as well. I just hope we come a little bit lower today. It's sort of holding on this level here, but I'm not entering a trade without a sweep, without liquidity taken. That's the big problem with a lot of traders, is what I find is they enter based on pattern recognition, not liquidity concepts or principles. Like I wouldn't enter right here, right? Because the chances of this coming a little bit higher is pretty high, but then the chances of it taking out your stop loss and then going back to where you wanted it to go is also extremely high, because we've never taken the people that got into the market here, they're still in a favorable position if this reverses, okay? And the market doesn't work that way. There are stops down here. There is imbalance on the 15-minute here, you can see. So the chances of it coming to my entry is extremely high, and I'm just gonna be patient and wait for that. I think the next 15-minute candle will do it. Should be pretty aggressive too. It's okay if this comes higher as well. Like if this comes up and builds a lower high, it gives us more fuel. Because think about it, if we enter the market down here and we have liquidity above price near our target, then there's more of a reason for price to take out those highs, right? So if we build a lower high, that's actually great, because then we can target that. It gives us like a range to target. It gives us a level to target, which is very important in trading. You don't want to just be entering a trade and then trying to target a swing high like this. The best trades always have internal liquidity to target, okay? So you have your major draw on liquidity, and then in between, you have your internal swings. But the market's been insane lately, so it's very, you know what I mean? Like you guys saw today how many big pushes we had. That was fun to trade together though. Right. See, on the 1 minute now, we've got major high, internal. Now we're building all this. So if we come lower today, we can just go boom, take out our profit. I'm gonna order some food. I am starving. Guzman and Gomez, Mexican, hey? Or do we do... I'm so sick of Uber. It's the same food that I see every day on there. Not that I eat it every day, but you know what I mean? Okay, this is looking extremely bullish. Hopefully we get a lower high here. It's good to see Bitcoin finally moving though. What's MQ done? Really clean long here this morning with that sweep and that reclaim. This thing's gonna pump. Here we go, a bit of aggressiveness back down. Just what we want. Just what we want. See how I said the lower highs built? Look at this. That's why you don't buy off those levels, guys. Remember, it's too obvious. No liquidity taken. Just gotta be patient. You gotta know what you're looking for. Trading is really simple when you just simplify it. You know, like if you guys have watched me, I've been drawing lines and boxes. Like, you know what I mean? It's not like any wizardry going on here. So now we've built liquidity here. Okay. We never took out this high, so we've got this level to target later too. Just move this over a bit. Comes to that supply. We'll get rid of this now. Change the color of this. That's why, that's the 4-hour high that we first drew early on. That was sort of the level that I wanted to see taken out before any trades. And if you're watching this right now and you're like, Nick, do I have to sit in front of the computer like you do and like watch every single candle? No, do not get it twisted, guys. This is high frequency stuff. Like, this is very small time frames compared to what we teach. The principles still apply. The principles are still the same as using a higher time frame, but you can literally find a trade setup. Find an area, set an alert. When you get the alert, go on your phone, enter the position, put your stop loss, put your take profit, and walk away. You know, we have business owners, accountants, IT professionals, tradies, doctors, dentists. Like, I've taught thousands of people how to trade, all from different walks of life. So it's just something you're gonna have to find time for if you want to do it, right? Like, it's not. I always tell my people, you want to fit trading around your lifestyle. You don't want to fit your lifestyle around trading. Does that make sense? Like, you want to live the current life you have now without trying to force anything. I really can't wait to enter this. I'm pretty confident on this trade setup, guys. We're not going to go as aggressive as we did to pass, but we should be able to make 2-3K for sure. So our total investment right now, just to break it down for you guys, we're already at the trade on funded account stage. Total cost to me, $330. I've passed eval in 2 hours. Now I need to make 3 to 5 times my investment. Okay. If I can do this, it's going to be a great video. It wants to come lower so bad. Next 15-minute candles in a minute. So it's sort of just holding. Look at that. Look at the 1 minute time frames. Just sideways. That might be the quickest evaluation any prop firm trader's ever passed, to be honest with you. That was sick. And like, the idea around it is, guys, think about this, right? I'm just going to break this down for you. Let's just say I did that 4 times, right? Like a trader like me who knows what they're doing. If I did that 4 times, $330 times 4, okay? So 4 evaluations, it would cost me $1,320 in total, okay, for those 4 accounts. Even if I only passed one of them and then made a 2% payout on the account, that's a $2,000 profit. I've already made more than what it's cost me, and I lost 3 accounts. Do you know what I mean? So if you can trade, even if you lost a few evaluations to get funded, the idea is that you're going to make it back. It's a asymmetric bet, right? Like, you know your fixed cost, okay, but your upside is a little bit more uncapped because you're controlling the way that you trade, right? So if your cost is fixed, that's the best thing in business, right? Fixed cost of goods, fixed cost of service, fixed cost of delivery, anything like that can allow you to have a little bit more control over your outcomes, right? And that's why prop firm trading is the best. And I call it profit partnering, right? Because you're partnering with the firm's capital, and you're just keeping profit share. It's a beautiful, beautiful idea. And it's something I'm very proud to do every single day. And teach. I fucking love teaching people this, because I know the people that I teach get results if they watch the videos, if they put in the work, if they follow the strategies, if they reach out for help. These are the people that get results. The people who think they're going to get rich overnight don't last in this business, right? Come on, it's looking good now. Remember the key word here, aggressive price. I want to see very aggressive price into my entry. Like this, exactly. Come on, baby, there you go, there you go. All right, guys, we're gonna be executing this very shortly. The 15 minutes still has 12 minutes though. Can you see how through this whole process, I've been lining up the close of a candle? Super important. It's not deep enough yet. We just swept this out, which is interesting. I still need to see it come a lot deeper. 74,300 is the entry. $200 away right now. I'm going to trade this quite aggressively as well with size, guys. Because I don't really mind if I blow the account, like it's $330. You saw how quick we made $9,000 on the evaluation, so. Good, come back. I would actually like, to be honest with you, to see this get taken out. So let's have a look what happens down here. Yeah, this level needs to get taken out. A little bit more aggressive. I need more. You'll know when it's aggressive, you'll see. Let's just get this ready. Let's get this set up. So we're gonna go 8 BTC here. We'll go 9. $10 minutes on the 15. This is good though, because it could be a wick. All right, we're nearly on, guys. Aggressive, come down. At least the 5 minutes closing below this one here. It could pop up a little bit. Let's draw this imbalance here. Could come into that. Something like this. Oops, wrong tool. Something like that. Good. Really love this. Loving this. Come on. Let's get aggressive. Look how good that is. That short was literally the fucking perfect we did, guys. I want W's in the comment. I want W's in the comment section. You guys all need to comment for me. I might be getting greedy here, but let's see. It's not aggressive enough for me to get in. It's just not. It's holding this body. You can see here, it's holding the body of this candle. It's gonna try to get back above it. Yeah. Hopefully we get a strong move down. Sort of retesting this level here. See that? That blue line. These lines I've been spot on with all day. They've been... Alrighty. So we're gonna go... This is what we want. So 8 times 16. Just sorting out the risk management now. So it depends where we get our entry, because we're not limit ordering it. We're just gonna market execute. So I think this could really drop, like, once it gets through this. Like, if we can get an entry down here, it's game over. It's probably going to push up here, to be honest. Just the way that this candle closed. I hope not. Hope I'm wrong. And a new 5-minute open, so... I still feel like this imbalance might get filled. I would just prefer it to happen now, though. But this 15-minute, definitely a little bit overextended. Like, we're super premium taking a long, but because the market has been so bullish, like you'll see, this is actually a decent level pullback compared to what we've had lately on BTC, like over the past few days. The trading ranges just get super, super clean. Come on, let's go. Let's get aggressive here. Stop fucking around. Because there's going to be a candle like this soon. And I want to be involved in it. So the good thing about Breakout, and the good thing about most prop firms is you can have multiple accounts. So now I've got two $100,000 funded accounts. So it's maximum of $200,000 in funded capital you can have. But I prefer to split it over two 100K accounts, because essentially I can trade a little bit more aggressive on one. And if I blow that, I've still got a backup. So I'm not sitting in the evaluation phase, because the evaluation phase with prop firms is opportunity cost. A lot of people don't talk about that. A lot of coaches teach you to take the evaluation really slow and, you know, really take your time with it. But that's exactly what the prop firms want you to do, because they know the longer that you sit on an evaluation, the longer that you're not requesting payouts, right? So I'm rarely without a funded account, okay? And it's by design. It's because I know that if I don't have a funded account, how am I going to catch those moves to actually make money, right? And if you catch a trade like we just caught, which was a really good trade, and you're only risking 0.5%, you're only going to be up 1.5 to 2% on that account. So you're going to have to do 3 or 4 of those to actually get funded. And by the time you're funded, you're like, fuck, it took too... It's like you're already exhausted. You've already done all the good trades to try and make that 9%. So that's why I like taking it a little bit more aggressive on the evaluation and just working out, what is my pass rate? What is my average payout once I'm funded? And you're building a business now. You've got the economics to actually work out, what does it cost me to get a funded account? What's my cost to acquire an account? Okay, could be 3 evaluations. And then what's my average payout once I am funded? Okay, and then you can be like, you're not scared of blowing accounts, okay, because you understand your numbers. It's very different than live trading. It's very different than traditional trading, and this is what no one talks about. That's why you should come work with us, because we actually know what we're doing. Or you just watch my free shit. This is slowing down, which is sort of good because it means aggressiveness is coming, but it could be up to the upside. That's what's sad. Unless we come right now. We need to take out this low. Can you imagine it went to my initial entry, which was up here, and then just flies? I'd much rather get a better entry than that, though. The entry is the most important thing. Let me show you. Imagine we keep the exact same profit target. So my profit target's up here. You can see my risk to reward ratio at this entry now is 4-1. Now, if I change it to up here, it's 2.7. The smallest difference, okay, in a trade can be the difference between $1,000 to $2,000 at a time. Okay, so you can see I'm going from 2.7 to 4 just by changing a little bit about my entry. Okay, so the entry is the most important part because it actually allows you to have a better stop loss as well, a better invalidation level. So, because imagine you were just chasing risk to reward ratio and you had your entry up here and you still wanted to get a 4-to-1, it would force you to put your stop up here. But you can see if I move my entry here and my stop here, I'm still getting a 4-to-1, but my stop loss is in a much better place. And the risk to reward ratio is everything. Come on, 15 minute just opened. Let's get some aggressive price and let's get involved. Because I'm liking this now. This is actually looking solid for a trade. Oh, bro. It looks like it's gonna send. I just hope it comes lower for us, guys. I'd love to show you this trade setup in play. Because the last push we had was up here. We've now broken that structure, so it sort of means that there could be another lower high, which is just means we have to wait longer. But I'd rather just get this done quick. We're gonna have to be pretty quick with our execution here. Which one's this? Yeah, okay. I'm not getting a lot of time to get confirmation on this trade, guys, so it's going to be a little bit of a riskier trade. Come on. Fuck. Come on. Strong push, strong push. We could even hit it. Oh my god, it hit our initial entry. Let's see. It's not aggressive enough. Come on. Needs to take out this blue line. Fuck. More aggressive, more aggressive. We've built this little high as well, which is good. It's a target. But it could pump now. Let's go. Here we go. Here we go. We've got buy side. I'm trusting my intuition and experience here, guys. This has to come to that blue line. I could even set a limit, but it could really... I need to see it in action, like... Here we go. Aggressive, aggressive. What's the 15 minute doing? 8 minutes left. This is good. Here we go. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. 2.5. Here we go, here we go. A little bit more, a little bit more. Here we go. A little bit lower. One more push down, I'm in. Fuck. One more push, one more push. I'm in, I'm in, I'm in. I'm in here. That's my entry. All right, let's do this. This should be solid. All right, we're up to 85. 400, here we go. It's our entry. We're going to take profit at... Let's see. Keep going, baby. $700 now. Put our stops just below here because we've already had a movement. So look at that. We'll go 134. So we'll go stop loss 74,120 actually. $1,000 of risk. $1,000 already. I said I would make 1,000, but let's try and make it 2 or 3. Come on, baby. Let's hold this. Let's get some reaction off this. That's our stop loss there. Our take profit will be 586, 74,586. 74,586 for 3,200. We're targeting this imbalance that we drew earlier. Our entry is solid. Our stop loss is not the greatest because we're only taking $1,000 of risk, but 6 minutes on the 15. We could be in a little bit of up and down for the next 5 or 6 minutes, guys. Let's see. That's good. That's the sort of strength I wanted to see off it. Come on, push here, push. We're up 500. Could come lower, honestly, could come lower. I'd love to see this 5-minute close above the white line we have. I'm not asking a lot from this take profit. That's what's crazy. Here we go. That's good. Good close. If we close there. Very good close. Very, very good close. See how this body is closing above this white line? We should see a push now. How long on the 15? 4 minutes. Okay. Good. Very good. What are we at? $1,000. More than that now. 1,200. Let's go, baby. Good reaction. What's the 15? How long's that? 4 minutes. 1265. Yeah, we're fucking on, guys. Look at this. Come on, push through that high and just hit our take profit. 586 is our take profit. Look at this. Come on. We're nearly there, guys. 2,100 profit. We can move to break even now at 230. So we'll go 74,230, $13 profit, lock that in. Still 1,900 up. I would have loved to see this push a little bit harder into that imbalance. Come on. Here we go. That's what I like. 2,200 bucks. Come on, it needs to go hard here. Try to hit this imbalance. I don't like how it's struggling here, to be honest. But the 15-minute is holding. It's just a really hard area to hold because it's basically sitting on stilts. We're not far off this profit. Come on. We're $100 off, guys. Come on. Beautiful. Beautiful fucking entry. Great patience, Nick. 2-2. See what happens here. We've got a 15-minute open in 1 minute. So we've taken out this high. Let's go. So 1 minute up to. Oh yeah, this looks good. We should get a push here at the open of the 15. There's a lot more downside to it, so that's why I'm just scalping it to this level. I'm getting greedy here. I said I'd make 1,000, but we're gonna make 3. This is pretty much already 3,000 Australian anyway, but we'll do 3K US. That's not a great close, to be honest. This could come lower. Oh, nice recovery. Push, push. What are we at? 1,800. It swept these highs Fuck, we didn't close above. Crazy, huh? We are at break even though, so this is we have no risk on the trade. If it comes lower, we get another entry. Look at that, that's disgusting, man. Wow. If this actually recovers, it's crazy. If it gets back above, it's gonna fly. Oh yeah, 1300 US. That's good. That's what we want. Go, push, bro. The market's insane today. 586 is 3K, let's go. That imbalance, it should shoot there pretty quick. Like, this area is acting as a little bit of resistance. It's because of this low. Once we break that sell wall, yeah, this looks crazy. Yeah, this is gonna go to take profit. 100%. Push, push, push. Watch it. Watch it now. Should really push here. I might just front run my take profit a little bit, guys, to 511. 511, 2500 US. That's our take profit here. I'm just gonna front run the imbalance. It's acting dodgy, so like it's really trying. Because I can see a really quick wick coming up and then crazy. Good. I'm coming back. Just because I've seen... We're just going to run it into there. 570 again. Fuck it. Every trade today has been a nightmare. Like, the entries have been perfect, but fuck. Just push. Just push. This is so funny. Oh, it's being so cheeky. Go. One more rejection of this and we're probably going to have to take profit. But I don't think it will. I think it's going to go to take profit right now. There we go. Come on. $100 more. BTC just needs to move $100, guys. What I'll do... 396. Yeah, 229. Here we go. Nah, this is coming up now. We're less than $100 off, guys. $90 away from take profit. Ooh, that was my initial one, 511. Fuck, I might have gotten greedy here. Remember I had it down here, 511? That would have been 2,500. But I want the headline to be $300 into 3K in 4 hours. It should come into this imbalance. 50% is getting a little bit greedy though. Looks good. Looks really good. It's this level here. It's just getting rejected off. Far out. Wow, man. Come on, just push into the imbalance at least. Fuck, this little imbalance here though. Here we go. Come on, $40 more. Go, go, go. Push to the imbalance. $40 more. $20 more. Ooh. $40 more. It's being cheeky here, guys. I don't know. I'm kind of getting sketched out with this. My reputation is on the line. No, it's not. Oh, it's gonna hit profit. There you go. Surely. There you go. After fees, 2,500 USD. Full take profit here. That is beautiful, man. Honestly, that is beautiful. I'm not even being biased. I don't think many traders can do that live. All right, so from here, I'm going to do a payout. So what we've done today is we've done every single step. This is all in one take, by the way. We've done step 1, step 2. We followed this the entire way. We traded it. We passed. We traded it. Now to the fun part, guys. Let's process a payout. So let's go to payouts. Total account profit is $25.87. 80% profit split, $2,070 on top of a $1,450 that's already pending today. Withdraw. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and run this up, guys. I'm going to do more of these. That was really, really fun. And as you can see, we hit our take profit to the fucking T. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. So you can see here, when I actually process the withdrawal, it says payout submitted. Okay, take profit hit and then payout submitted. So now that will get approved in a few hours, and yeah, that's money in the bank for me, guys. So appreciate you guys watching my channel. Thank you so much. Nick D out. Yo, guys, before you leave, you just watched me turn $330 into over $2,000 of profit in under 4 hours. Okay, $330 was the evaluation cost into over $2,000 payout. Now, by you watching that full video, you've probably got a really good understanding of how prop firms work and how we're able to actually do this, the potential of it, right? But that's not going to be the same as actually executing it and getting real results. So if you're someone who wants to take this seriously, okay, I've been coaching traders since 2019, and I've got over 6 figures in verified payouts through exactly what I just showed you, okay? So if you want more advanced help with this, you can actually apply to work with me inside of my program, and it's going to be for people who want speed. It's going to be for people who want my help, my support, my strategies, and my knowledge the entire way through. Okay, I've shown this to people like Ryan, who's generated over 30,000 USD in payouts in the past 6 months. We've got people like David, who tried to go out to breakout himself. He tried a couple of evaluations, blew the accounts, and decided to come and work with us. Since then, he's generated over 6 payouts with our strategies, and I could show you guys literally hundreds more funded traders inside of my group, okay? And all you need to do to work with me is literally apply in the description below this video, and I can't wait to talk to you guys who are interested in working with me. Peace out.